morning, dears. Yesterday we have completed up to question number 5. Look at question number 6. It says find the actual lower and upper class limits and class marks of the following classes. Now you have classes (2.1 to 4), then 4.1 to 6, and 6.1 to 8. Now I have told you reduce 0.5 from lower limit and add 0.5 to upper limit, but already we have a point number here. So if we reduce 0.5, we will not get it. So here we have to reduce 0.05. Is it half of this? So what we are going to do here, we'll write true values would be, or true class intervals will be, they've asked class limits, true class limits you can say, or actual class limits. Limits are 2.1 minus 0.05 and 4.0 plus 0.05. In this way we have to write. So this gives you 2.05 to 4.05. So next one will be 4.05 to 6.05, and then third will be 6.05 to 8.05. Is it? Half of this 0.1 I have subtracted from lower limit and upper limit, that is added. Now you have to get class marks. Class marks are 2.05 plus 4.05 by 2, or this gives you 6.1 by 2 or 3.05. Then this 2's will be class marks are, this is for, then for 4.05 to 6.05 will have class marks 10.1 by 2, so 5.05, and for 6.05 to 8.05 will have 14.1 by 2, so 7.05. These are the class marks and these are the class limits. Lower limit, upper limit. You can write lower limit and upper limit also. Always keep it in mind, if we have a complete number minus 0.5 and lower limit and upper limit plus 0.5. Now if we have a decimal number, so it will be lower limit minus 0.05 and upper limit plus 0.05. Means half of this we have to add and subtract. So here I have added and subtracted 0.05. Clear? Now next we have observe the given frequency table to answer the following. Class intervals are given and frequency is given. You have to observe and you have to write. So I am not going to rewrite it with a true value, with the true limits. Just only will be answering. Clear? First question, it says the true class limits of the 5th class. I am writing here class intervals, class interval and frequency. Clear? This is given 20 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 40 to 44 and 45 to 49. Clear? Now we have frequencies 6, 12, 10, 15, 9 and 2. The first question says the true class limits of the fifth class. Fifth class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fifth class. What will be the true class limits? I have told you, subtract 0.5 from this. From 40, that will be 39.5, and add 0.5 to the upper limit. So that will be 44.5. This is number 1. The size of a second class. Now what is the size? The size of second class is equal to upper limit minus lower limit. Is it? We know. Now upper limit, what we have? Second class, this is 29.5 minus 24.5. Always you subtract the true class value, true limits. Always it is always we get it with true class limits, actual class limits. We will not get it with non-overlapping class limits. Clear? This is always we get it upper limit minus lower limit. So upper limit will be 29.5 and lower limit 24.5. So that class size is 5. Now the third question is the class boundaries of the fourth class. Class boundaries, I have told you, for non-overlapping we have to convert it into overlapping. So the fourth class 1, 2, 3rd, 4th. So the what will be the class boundaries? Class boundaries for fourth class is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 34.5 to 39.5 will be the class boundaries. And you can use 39.5. The upper and lower limits of 6th class. What is the upper limit of 6th class? Question number D. Always whenever we find the upper and lower limits, so we have to see the true class limits once again. It will not be with the class limits which is given to us. That is 6th class. Upper limit will be upper limit 49.5 and the lower limit is 44.5. This is for always convert into true class limits. Then you use what is upper and what is lower. The last one, the class marks of the third class. Class mark. Which is the third class? This is number E. Class mark is equal to half into 34 plus 30 or 64 by 2, 32. This is the class mark. Now question number 8. The number of goals scored by a football club in the Premier League in session 2007 were. Arrange this data in a discrete frequency distribution table and answer the following. What is the meaning of discrete frequency distribution table? That is that particular variate. That particular, we have to write that particular variate. Now it is grouped. It may be 21, 20, 22, 23, 24. But if it is written only 20, so that represents only 20. It is a grouped frequency. Discrete, it represents only that particular variate. Not more than that, not less than that. Look at question number 8. Number of goals are 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 5, 1, 6, 4, 4, 2, 3, 5, 6, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 0, 5, 0, 5, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 1, 4. Now what is the minimum we can see? That is 0. And the maximum is 6. So what we are going to write it? We are going to write it goals. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The next is tally. And the third is frequency. You can see I have not written 0 to 5. I have written only 0, only 1, only 2, only 3, only 4, 5 and 6. Is it done? Now first one is 1. So I will give a tally in 1, 2. So at 2's column, 1 as at 1's column, 3, then 3's column, 2, 5. So that comes in 5. Again 1, 6, that comes in 6, 4, 4, 2, 3, 5, 6, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 0, 5, 0, 5, 3, 2, 3, 4, that comes in a 4's column, 4, 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 1 and 4. Now the frequency we have 2, 7, 7, 6, 8, 4, 2. Total 4 to 6, 8, 14, 6, 20, 27, 34, 36. We have here how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 32, 34, 36 is correct. Now this is called discrete frequency table. You can see I have written only that particular goals, made by the player, football club. Is it clear? I have not written 0 to 5. So this is called a discrete frequency table, and when it is included as a group, class interval 0 to 5, 5 to 10, so that is called grouped frequency table. Now you have to answer the questions. The first question says, what is the range of number of goals scored by the football club? I have told you range means upper minus lower data. What is the upper goal, the maximum goal football club has made? That is 6, and the lowest is 0. So range is equal to 6 minus 0, that is 6 goals. How many times did the football club score 3 or more than 3 goals? Now you see, from this 3 we have to count how many. 3 it has scored 6 times, 4 it has scored 8 times, 5 it has scored 4 times, and 6 it has scored 2 times. So this many times it has scored 3 and more than 3 goals. So you will add 8, 6, 14, 4, 18 and 2, 20. So the number B's answer would be 20 times. Is it? Kindly copy the question when you write in the copy. Which variate has the highest frequency? Now you see, 8 is the highest frequency. So 4 has highest frequency. Variate 4 has highest frequency. Is it? highest frequency. Now look at question number 9 that you have to write. I am not going to write it. 10. You see, 9 is homework. Look at question number 10. The class mark of a frequency distribution table are given. Now you have to get the class limits. Okay. Now class marks are now question number 11. No, 10. Is it? Question number 10. Class marks are 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65 and 75. Now here we'll be finding width of the class. What is the meaning is width of the class. Miss, how much long the class is? What is the size of class? So here difference between two consecutive class marks. The meaning is difference between two consecutive class marks. That is the width of a class. So it gives you, I am taking the first two, 25 minus 15, that is 10. Clear? Now here we will be making a column, lower limit, upper limit, class mark. Clear? Now in this columns we will be writing it. First class mark we have 15, then we have 25, then we have 35, 45, 55, 65 and 75. How to get lower limit? This width, lower limit we get class mark plus width by 2. Is it? Because this 15 lies between this lower limit and upper limit. So how to get it? Class mark plus 15 by minus 15 by 2 and class mark plus width by 2. So this gives you 15 minus 5, 10, and this gives you 15 plus 5, 20. So 15 lies between 10 and 20. In this way we get. Okay, I will be just showing you. First let me draw the lines, otherwise you will get confusion. Here only you have written the width of class. So half of width, half of size or width of the classes, of the class mark, of the class limit is equal to 5. 10 by 2. So now 15 minus 5 and 15 plus 5. So this is the class limits. 20 minus 5, 20. 20 plus 5, 30. This is lower limit, upper limit. 35 minus 5, 30. 40. 40, 50. 50, 60. 60, 70. And 70, 80. Once again I am saying you, we have to find the width of class mark, width of the class. How to get the width of class? Take any two consecutive class marks and subtract. You will get the size. Means the difference between the class is 10. It includes 10 numbers, 10 group of 10. Now half of the width of this class will find, that is half of 10 is 5. So lower limit will get class mark minus this half of class size and upper limit class mark plus half of class size. So this we have got half of class size is a 5. So 15 minus 5, 10, 15 plus 25, 20. 25 minus 5, this 25 minus 5, it gives you 20, and 25 plus 5, it gives you 30, is it? In this way, we get the class in limits, upper limit and lower limit. So number 11 and 12, I am not going to do. Number 11 is the same as question number 10 and 12. You have to construct a frequency distribution table taking the class with class size as 7. So these 3 are the homeworks. Next day we will be doing next exercise. If there is any doubt in this exercise, you just let me know in the comment box. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you.